Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I got my locks and stuff. I had recorded a video for y'all, but that's another story. But anyways, I know it's been a long time since I uploaded. But yeah, we back. And yeah, it's about to be lit. I got a camera now. I'm still trying to get used to this thing. But yeah, I got a camera. I got a lot of content ideas. So it's no excuses why I'm not uploading. Period. But yeah, I'm really lit because my birthday is in 4 days. I'm about to be 24. Big Aquarius. Say the best with last. Period. But yeah. Yeah. Comment down below and wish me happy birthday. It's gonna be litty. I'm gonna do a vlog of it. But as y'all can see by the title, but I'm gonna just keep rumbling. Bottom out. And as y'all can see, I'm about to be baking some cookies and answering some questions. It's really gonna be like a get to know me because I never really introduced myself. Right? So yeah, it's gonna be that type of video. Put y'all a little bit in my business. And yeah. So if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn the notification bell so y'all can be notified every time you get a drop. And I still ain't got no name for y'all. But I'm working on it. Like I don't want nothing basic or nothing that somebody already got, So it's kind of hard. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, y'all, so in my kitchen where I be throwing down. Okay, let me stop here. Okay, so I got these little cookies from HEB. It's Pillsbury. And yeah. So I'm about to get this stuff for I ain't gotta actually make the cookies, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I really can bake though. Do I want to make all 20 of these cookies? It's really just me. And my dad really be doggish for me to do it. And y'all don't come on my ball things because I do be reusing my stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna take some ball things. And I got, so let it focus in. Okay, there we go. And I got this. I'm just gonna butter it because I had to get my hair in the ponytail. And it's really lightweight, y'all. I mean, I only got 50-some locks in it, but still, it's really lightweight. And I already got the oven preheated at 350. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna bake 8 of them. I'm not about to bake all 10. But I guess you can start answering no questions. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, let's go here. There we go. With my man is baby, yeah, back outside the mom. I got the questions on my phone. And my hands is clean, so don't play with me in the comments. Okay, this how we know. This is how we look at the bottom. So yeah, 1. So yeah, I don't know, when I be baking stuff, I really can bake from scratch too. Yeah, don't play with me. But I don't like for my stuff to be all the way cooked. I be wanting it to be a little doughy or something. Am I weird? Yeah, I am weird. Okay, boom. Hopefully these gonna be super. Let me put it back in. Okay, so we're gonna put this through. This should be good for the little thing to close it. How long is it in here? 12 to 14 minutes. I'm gonna put it for 10 minutes. Hey Siri. She be acting like she can hit it every time. Hey Siri. Set time for 10 minutes. Thank you, babe. Then I put these cookies in it, but then we're gonna start with these questions. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. And let's get into these questions. I'm just gonna stand here in this kitchen and answer the questions. Let me see what I'm gonna start off with. Okay, let's go basic. What's my name? My name is Kayla, but I go by Kayla and K. Like that's really my name. My name is K. K-A-Y-Y. See? Yeah, that's my name. I already told y'all how old I am at the beginning. I'm 23, but I'm about to be 24 on Friday. So that's that. How tall am I? I'm 6 feet. No, I'm just playing. I'm 4'7", y'all. I'm so short. I'm really short. Look at my honey. Where's my honey? But yeah, I'm really, really short. It's okay though. But yeah, my mom's short, so yeah. I'm 4'7". Where the short people at? Let's see. Where am I from? I'm from Port Arthur, Texas. The phone behind the land of the tree. But yeah, I'm from Port Arthur, y'all. If y'all know where it's at. If y'all know where Beaumont's at, that's where it is. Like, it's around there. It's next door neighbors. Like, yeah. My phone a little big. Oof. But what's my favorite color? Purple. I love purple. Everybody always think my favorite color is pink because like my living room is pink and all of that. But my favorite color is purple. Like, you really just gotta know me to know that's my favorite color. Ooh, y'all be nosy. Am I single or taken? Y'all my business. I'm just playing. I'm single, ready to mingle, you know. Y'all been single, y'all, for like 2 years. Yeah, I'm single. Big single. And then this other question, I guess I can answer it right after this. It said, how long was your longest relationship? The one I got out 2 years ago. It was 5 years. They don't even call me good. Never mind. But yeah, it was in a relationship for 5 years. That's my dog though. Let's see. My dream vacation. I don't know, like I just really want to be like on an island in some water, like some clear water, you know. But then again, like I really go to Dubai or something. But I don't think that's like my dream. Like my dream vacation really got to be like by some water. So I guess you can say like Bora Bora or you know, one of them. Yeah. My zodiac sign, I told you that too. I'm an Aquarius. Yeah, big Aquarius. Do I have tattoos? Yes, I have one tattoo. Yeah, it's it's Africa with a crown on top. African thing, you know? Yeah, that's what we're going for. Do I want some more tattoos? Yes, I do. Who is my celebrity crush? Oh yeah, I got a lot of celebrity crush. But no, for real, I really love Kevin Gates. Like, oh my god, I don't care what y'all say. These people be hating on my boy, but I love Kevin Gates. I love Rap 49. If y'all don't know who that is, he from New Orleans. He's still like kinda new on the scene, but yeah, I love me some 49. Who else? That's like rap or something. But yeah, that's the only ones. I really love them, man. I don't play by Rob or Kevin. I really don't play by Kevin, so I guess he gotta be like number one. But another celebrity, like I guess, I don't know, we just gonna stick with them. A favorite vacation spot I have been to, I guess I can say Las Vegas because that's really like since I've been an adult. That's the only vacation I've been to since I've been an adult. Like just me, like it was my first time experiencing like going to Las Vegas. My first time on a plane. Like I don't know. I was, my first time like on a vacation as an adult. Like I don't know. I just love that trip, even though like I really didn't do too much. But yeah, I love that trip. Do I have children? No. Do I got a godchild count? Because if so, yeah, I got one. That's my little girl, my stinker boy. Okay, I'm taking my sister. Look, my forehead is far-headed. Ooh, please, my forehead is far-headed. Y'all don't play with me in the comments, please. But yeah, I have a godchild, a goddaughter. That's my little girl. She's 1 year old. But I do have a lot of nieces and nephews. Not really, but like me and my cousins, like we first cousins or whatever. And I just call their kids my nieces and nephews. So yeah, there's a lot of them. And my step sibling kids. So yeah, there's a lot of them. About to be 10. That's a lot. How many siblings do I have? 4. 2 sisters and 2 brothers. I am the oldest. So that's that. My favorite restaurant. And y'all know Texas Roadhouse. It's going to ever be my favorite restaurant. I love their rolls. What's my favorite holiday? My birthday. No, for real, that's really my favorite holiday. But if I had to decide like on a holiday, I would have to say like Christmas. I just love Christmas. They're bad. And my Carisha was. My favorite influencers. Super Scent, if y'all know what that is. She's the owner of the Crayon Case. I love Super. I've been following Super since Vine, baby. She's my favorite. Okay? Like, she just be giving the gems for free. Like, she just be giving you all the game. Like, I just love everything about Super. And she an Aquarius just like me. And another person, I guess I can say Carisha. Like, I love Carisha. She an Aquarius too. Like, I just love Aquarius. Kevin Gates and Aquarius coming. That's why he my celebrity crush. I don't know. I really just love Aquarius people. You just can't be F. My favorite TV shows. Anything that's Power Universe. I love Power so much. And I love Snowfall, but this about to be the last season. But yeah, I love Power so much. I cannot wait till Ghosts come out next month. Like, I really be into it. Like, I like shows like that. Like, crime, drug-related shows. But, like, I'm not no First 48 type of girl. I can't watch that. But I can watch Power and stuff. So, yeah, that's that. Okay. I got, like, 2 more questions. Idea of a perfect date. I guess you can be like, I guess you can say like, just a guy like just planning the whole thing like, and just like letting me know like, or just texting me and telling me like, get ready or be ready at this time type thing, and like it just be like some real intimate stuff. Like I don't be caring for like all of the hype stuff. Like, yeah, like. As long as we together and we spend the time and we go somewhere, like, I don't know. I ain't gonna say I'm not hard to please, but yeah, like, that's my ideal date. On my timer, hold on, y'all. There's the timer. Let me move my phone, babe. I'm falling in this oven. This is the 10-minute mark. And look how it looks. You know, see? Ooh. They still a little sour. I didn't think. Maybe that one have a little hole in it. I'm gonna let it go for like 2 more minutes. I'll put 3. No reason. But they taste good. But I just taste better on my finger. What is my dream job? If y'all know me, I just want to be an entrepreneur and be rich and not have to worry about anything. It's called icing on nails. I do make custom press-ons, so yeah, y'all go hit me up for that if y'all need some custom press-ons. But yeah, I do ship and I make custom press-ons with acrylic and also with gel polish. And I'm just starting to get with the design stuff, like designs on the nails and all of that, like freehanding it, but that's another story. But yeah, y'all, I make press on nails. Press on nails. Why do people want to do that? But yeah, y'all, look at me got this stuff. And what else? I said to him, dang, that was the last few minutes. Dang, I keep dropping this. Okay, for real. Because if y'all don't know, if y'all never baked before, you don't have to let them go the whole time. Because if you take them out, they're still going to cook when they're out because it's still hot. So yeah, this is how they looking. Had to make a little thumbnail right quick. But I'm gonna do 2 more questions and then that's gonna be that. I'm gonna taste the cookie on the camera too. What is one thing I love about myself? I love and hate this about myself at the same time. The type of heart I have. I love, that I'm kind and I'm good-hearted, but you can get messed over having a good heart. So yeah, that's one thing I love about myself. What's something on my bucket list? And this gonna be the last question. Oh, I said after again. What's on my bucket list? Like a fear that I want to get over. I guess you could say that go with it because yeah, I'm so scared to get on a cruise, and I feel like it's on my bucket list, but I'm so scared. So I feel like it's a fear that I need to get over. So yeah, I need to get on the cruise one time. If my sisters and them see this, they're gonna be like, "You lying, girl, you capping for the internet." Yeah, I really want to go on a cruise, but I'm so scared. I really feel like gonna make it Titanic too. Yeah, I might taste the cookie. They're pretty good. They're decent. I think it's just food coloring in here. It don't really taste like that. It's like a sugar cookie. So yeah. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video and this little question and answers. And yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next video. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications. Bye.